I'll show you how I made a curve logo on my Android. As you can see, I'm on Photoshop Touch. Now I'll click on this over here and pick a texture. I'll click on the cross icon over here and make a duplicate layer. I'll disable the bottom layer by clicking this. Now I'll pick a logo. I'll click on the gear icon over here and I'll select pixels. I'll disable the logo layer and make my texture active. I'll click on the pen-like icon and I'll select clear. And save my project. I'll save it to gallery. I'll make it PNG. After saved, I'll go to Pixellab. I'll click here and make background transparent. I will save the image size to YouTube thumbnail. And I will import my image saved from Photoshop Touch. I'll scroll down to Emboss. I'll reduce intensity to 45. Ambient light to 55. And bevel to 1. I'll make light angle 120 degrees. And I'll save my image. After saved, I'll return to Photoshop Touch. I'll click on my project. I will delete both. I will add an empty layer. I'll click on this icon. I'll click on Fill in Stroke. I'll make it black. I'll make the blend mode overlay and reduce its opacity. I will import the image I saved from Pixellab. I'll click on this icon. I'll click on Basic and I'll select Drop Shadow. I'll blur it to 5 and make the angle 45.